Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope you are best in health at home. This is part 3 of Change the Voice. In part 1, we have delivered lecture on the present indefinite sentences, how to change active voice to passive voice. In part 2, we have delivered lecture on present continuous sentences, how to change present continuous sentences active voice to passive voice. Now our topic is present perfect tense. How to change present perfect sentences to uh, change active voice to passive voice sentences. And the formula is, as you know about, if you have subject, has or have, third verb and object, it means this is present perfect sentences. It means work has done. Work is done. Object comes first. In passive voice sentences of present perfect tense, has been, have been, third verb, by and subject. Now let's start exercise for this practice. A dog has bitten the boy. The boy has been bitten by a dog. The boy has been bitten by a dog. He has sold this house. This house has been sold by him. This house has been sold by him. I have lent him my camera. He has been lent by me my camera. The clock has struck 5. 5 has been struck by the clock. They have mocked at us. We have been mocked by them. We have been mocked by them. The children have plucked many flowers. Many flowers have been plucked by the children. I have sent him an urgent telegram. An urgent telegram has been sent by me. You can say, and he has been sent by me an urgent telegram. It would be correct. He has been sent by me an urgent telegram. The sudden noise has frightened the child. The child has been frightened by the sudden noise. They have done their job. Their job has been done by them. She has beaten her brother. Her brother has been beaten by her. The hen has not laid an egg. An egg has not been laid by the hen. The police has not caught the thief. The thief has not been caught by the police. Actually, these are negative sentences. Has not been you will use. You have not taken the examination. The examination has not been taken by you. He has not obtained the pass marks. The pass marks has not been obtained by him. We have not bought this car. This car has not been bought by us. He has not opened the door. The door has not been opened by him. The students has not received the money order. The money order has not been received by the students. Amara has not prepared meal. Meal has not been prepared by Amara. They have not faced many problems. Many problems have not been faced by them. You have not won the prize. The prize has not been won by you. Has he written a letter? These are interrogative sentences and you must place question mark and helping verb will come first. In a starting sentence, has a letter been written by him? Have you checked my essay? Has my essay been checked by you? Has she broken this cup? Has this cup been broken by him? Thank you so much. I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then you will have my upcoming videos. We will discuss about future indefinite tense or past indefinite tense. Other sentences we will discuss. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.